welcome back to our channel, guys. Sorry for the inconsistency. We were here, so now we're back. We're still a little bit, but we're way better than 2 weeks ago. Let's get straight into the video. So in today's video, we're gonna do some popcorn chicken. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I have some chicken thighs here. This is what I will be using. If you have chicken breasts, you can use it also. So let's get the chicken thighs washed. And guess what? I'm gonna use lime. I'm gonna use lime. Yeah, wash off the slime and the rawness from it. Also, we'll tenderize it. You know what I mean? We're gonna remove the excess fat. So guys, after I finish, remove the excess fat, squeeze my lime, then add our water, wash it. You can use vinegar if you want, but I like using the lime. The lime of the citrus. So guys, we finished washing it now. So now we're gonna cut them in cubes. Okay guys, now we're gonna cut them in cubes. So now guys, we're gonna marinate our chicken. Maggi Allpurposes. Okay, put a tablespoon, and then you have the Maggi chicken. A teaspoon also. Gonna add some garlic. Now we're gonna rub it in. And combine our mixture. We're gonna add this for coloring, sazon for coloring, 1 package. Now we're gonna season our flour. We're gonna use the flour to coat the chicken cubes. Like half cups of flour. We're gonna use the same Maggi season, like half teaspoon. We're gonna add some black pepper, half teaspoon. The flour is fresh, so it's gonna bring up the taste of the chicken. Same for garlic. And then you combine. Mix it right in. after this, we're gonna put our oil to preheat. Now we're gonna add our oil into the deep fryer. Now the oil is ready. You see that green light? It's ready. So now it's time for the magic. We're gonna coat our chicken. So now we're adding our chicken to the breading. Then water. I mean, you can use milk or buttermilk or even egg for the liquid. Now we're going to take it out and then we bread it again. So it have that crispsy texture to the chicken. Now it's time to add our chicken inside. Now we're gonna fry these for about okay guys, this is it. This is the end result. Look at the beauty. Listen. Guys, just like you know the rest. Tell them what to do, Max.
Guys, I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe. And comment. Yeah.
Stay tuned for the next one, guys.